Restless spoilers, after seeing Summer on a video call with Phyllis, many people said she's about to return, but not the Hunter King. But some actress will replace her for a short time because King can't participate in Y&R's show. She's busy with another project and can't participate. The producer was forced to find a replacement but couldn't wait for her forever. Summer Newman will return to tackle some of the current storylines together. Hopefully fans will accept this reluctant replacement without complaining, because it was an accident that no one wanted. Hunter King promised to come back to us, but her schedule was too busy and she apologized to her fans for keeping her promise. Summer will appear on the show by video calling with her mother Phyllis, who starts it off by revealing she will be returning to Genoa City. Summer is working in an important position in Milan. Her qualifications have improved a lot since working here. Many people want to know what problem Summer returned to Genoa to solve. First, she must thank Sally and clear her mind of harming her. They were friends because Sally was the one who introduced Summer to her current job in Milan, which led to a lot of incentives. She didn't want people to hate Sally because of her past. Summer wants to find a person with a passion for fashion to come to Milan to work, as well as to be a scout, to interview, and to create opportunities for others to change themselves and their beauty mindset. Summer comes back with a very relaxed mind. She's respected by everyone for following her passion and achieving a lot of success. Looking at her now, very mature, Phyllis is proud of her daughter. Summer Newman is a lasting character and always gives everyone peace of mind. She may sometimes leave the show due to her personal and professional life, but she will always remain in the mind of fans. Who is the real Summer substitute? Is she talented enough to take on such a difficult role? But that's okay. The program always has changes and additions of confusing characters, but the quality of the movie as well as the content is always guaranteed. Actors who want to appear on the TV screen are always talented as well as capable. Where is Kyle? Why doesn't he go back to Genoa and bring Harrison with him? Maybe Kyle's feelings are in trouble. There's no way they can separately go like that. This is also a message that writers want fans to argue with. The Young and the Restless spoilers say that some more casting news will be announced soon, so check back often.